bruh. Look at this dude. Wait till you see the...
What you been doing?
Absolutely nothing.
Where are the stones?
Somewhere under all this. All I know is he doesn't have them.
So we keep it that way.
You know it's a trap, right?
Yeah, I don't much care.
Good. Just as long as we're all in agreement.
Not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me. I thought by eliminating half of life, the other half would thrive. But you've shown me. And as long as there are those that remember what was, there will always be those that are unable to accept what can be. They will resist.
Yep, we're all kinds of stubborn.
I'm thankful. Because now, I know what I must do. I will shred this universe down to its last atom. And then, with the stones you've collected for me, create a new one, teeming with life, that knows not what it has lost, but only what it has been given. A grateful universe.
Born out of blood.
Because you will be alive.
Okay, Thor, hit me.
I got you, fam!